Meet Mary. She's a homeowner in Austin, Texas. After a recent storm, she notices her asphalt roof has damaged areas. She's unhappy as she's had to replace her asphalt roof multiple times, and she's noticed her shingles don't last very long. She wants a roof that will stand up to storms and weather and last for a long time, saves on energy costs, is maintenance free, and looks beautiful. Then Mary called First Capital Certified Metal Roofing. She learns that metal roofing lasts for a really long time, longer than asphalt shingles, is environmentally friendly, will save her on energy costs, will improve her property value, and looks amazing. Mary's happy she chose a new metal shingle roof for her home in Austin, and she's very happy to find First Capital Certified Metal Roofing. Contact First Capital Certified Metal Roofing in Austin, Texas, and see if a metal shingle roof is a better option for you, like it was for Mary.